Hello guys, this is Thompson from 5 Best Ones. Are you looking for the best product on the market? If yes, then you're in the right place. In this video, I will share every bit of information with you so that you can pick the best product according to your need. We have made a list by investing a healthy amount of time and effort. The link in the description demonstrates the product list with a pretty reasonable value. So let's get started. If you didn't subscribe to our channel yet, then subscribe now and hit the bell icon for our latest videos.
Number 1. Outland Firebowl 883 Outdoor Fire Pit. With this portable and durable, weather-resistant fire pit from Outland Living, you never need to worry about messy ash or buying expensive firewood. There's no assembly required, and it uses a clean source of propane gas. If you are camping outdoors, you can also beat any campfire bans in force with this spark-free campfire, which is a much safer option. It creates a clean but still cozy smokeless flame to deliver a beautiful evening ambience. Capable of outputting an impressive 58,000 BTU, this fire pit really does kick out some heat. It's supplied with a natural lava rock set that creates a lovely flickering effect and is constructed from durable, superior stainless steel burners and fasteners with a chrome knob and rubber comfort grip. It's entirely UV, weather and water resistant thanks to an attractive high-temperature powder enamel coating. It also creates an excellent cooking flame. Please note that the propane gas cylinder is sold separately and the ignition is manual, not automatic. However, if you are looking for a solution that sets up in minutes with no tools required, then the Outland Living Mega 24-inch Firebowl with its adjustable height flame is certainly worth considering. Perfect if you want to use it with your cooking tripod. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. BALI Outdoors 50,000 BTU Fire Pit. The BALI Outdoor Fire Pit is the final product we recommend for every backyard and garden. Built from 50,000 BTU stainless steel units, this large fire pit is a deep gas fire pit featuring a hidden control panel, a safety valve, and an electronic ignition. Starting up this unit is exceptionally straightforward with its electronic ignition, and the central control is embedded in the overall design for a seamless appearance. At the push of a button, the BALI Outdoors Fire Pit begins its operations and offers excellent heat quality to customers. The hassle-free use of this unit makes it a favorite among many people around the globe. The all-inclusive BALI Fire Pit package includes lava rocks responsible for thermal insulation and excellent heat preservation. It is a convenient fire pit that is convenient to use. Its fashionable and elegant appearance is a bonus to customers and a great way to decorate your outdoor space and welcome guests for a night of memorable activities. It features a simple installation process that doesn't require a lot of time or an extra pair of hands. Its lava rocks are enough to offer exceptional warmth and comfort to your company of friends. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Outland Living Series 401 Propane Gas Outdoor Fire Pit. Sit back in your backyard, deck, patio, or poolside and relax. You deserve it. Have a splendid time with the best propane outdoor fire pit table in your yard. The Outland Living Series 401 Propane Fire Pit Table. This is one of the best outdoor fire pits on the market, with a lot of positive user feedback concerning its performance. Enjoy the warmth it offers and basks in its elegance all year round. This high-quality fire pit table features a quality construction, which includes a black tempered glass tabletop and Arctic ice, which ensures the longevity of the product. The Outland Propane Fire Pit features other intriguing elements, some of which include its rust-resistant aluminum frame that can withstand all kinds of weather hazards. The surface of this fire pit is built as a non-combustible unit with minimum clearance, and it's meant to be installed on non-combustible floors only. The quality and durability of this unit surpass all expectations, primarily due to its high resistance to heat and low maintenance. The Outland Fire Pit is a genuinely unique fire feature and an equally stunning rectangular fire table designed to complement all outdoor spaces and also bring in countless compliments from friends and family alike. The wicker of the Outland Fire Pit is made from weather and water-resistant material known as UV HDPE. It is a coffee-colored material that is durable than other wicker materials used by the competition. The entire structure is built from, and this frame is powder-coated to enhance its longevity. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Solo Stove Bonfire Outdoor Fire Pit. Another equally impressive creation is by one of the leading manufacturers of outdoor fire pits, Solo. It is the Solo Stove Bonfire Fire Pit. Made with a significant focus on precision, every stove bonfire pit produced features premium materials and is made from state-of-the-art machinery and finely polished with a touch of skilled craftsmanship. It isn't only beautiful, the bonfire is exceptionally functional in every sense of the word. These fire pits are made with a specific construction process and Solo's patented design, making them distinctively more beautiful than other models on the market. The bonfire is made with durable stainless steel, and with such construction, it pushes the limits of both combustion airflow efficiency and minimalist outdoor design. The design is so detailed and intricate, it cannot be duplicated anywhere. Enjoy a great backyard fire experience with this painstakingly engineered fire pit from Solo with family, friends, or a blend of both groups. To maximize the burning process and increase airflow, the bonfire makes use of a double wall design. Besides this secondary combustion feature, this fire pit can feed the fire from below with oxygen through its bottom vent holes. At the same time, warm oxygen is channeled back into the light through the stone walls. The secondary combustion feature of the bonfire ensures that there's a complete burn, and this means that the amount of smoke produced will be less. With almost no smoke, you can freely bask in the presence of your fire pit without having to dodge smoke to keep your clothes from smelling continual. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. FireSense Roman Outdoor Fire Pit. The next best small fire pit for your patio, garden, or backyard is the FireSense Roman Fire Pit. It is the perfect piece of outdoor furniture to help you enjoy quality time with those who matter the most to you. The FireSense Outdoor Pit is a 35-inch unit made from antique bronze steel. It features a Firebowl built with a hammered clip and also has sturdy legs made from steel and brushed with paint. This outdoor fire pit helps you make the most of your life by extending the life of your outdoor living space through the delivery of quality, comfort, and style. The Roman Fire Pit brings warmth, value, style, and luxury to your home through its innovative and quality design. This unique fire pit features a removable grate produced from wood. This wooden grate enables you to place all your logs swiftly and with ease, and also aids in the easy cleanup. The Roman Fire Pit is designed with elegant details that make it unique from other competing models. There are a screen lift tool and a mesh fire screen included in the total package to keep stray embers away and also to stoke the fire respectively. Besides its durable steel construction and intricate design details, the FireSense Fire Pit is made by a brand that understands you and your outdoor furniture needs. FireSense is a company that stands out from the competition. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next week. Thank you.